present here. My name is Hina Gauss, studying in 5C in GMI St. Joseph Global Senior Secondary School CBSE COE Lab. Today I stand before you to shed light on an invaluable resource transforming education, COE.org. In an era where digital literacy is paramount, this platform pioneers the way for us to explore the language of future, programming. With COE.org, programming is no longer confined to the realm of experts, but becomes accessible to all, irrespective of background or prior knowledge. By integrating programming into school curriculum, we equip with essential problem-solving skills, creativity, fostering, and critical thinking. Moreover, it cultivates perseverance and resilience as they navigate through coding challenges. As we immerse our youth in the world of coding, we empower them to shape the digital landscape of tomorrow. Let us embrace this platform and pave the way for a generation of innovators and